Hello student, today we are going to discuss new topic, that is cell organelles. As I said, there are different kinds of cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, and then like ribosomes. Okay, we have different kinds of cell organelles, and today we are going to discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now it was first observed by Gerner. Okay, it was first observed by the Gerner, and then later the term endoplasmic reticulum was given by Porter. Term given by Porter. Okay, now this endoplasmic reticulum, they are very useful, and they involve various functions as a part of the cell. Okay, I've written some important points out here. That is, these are complex system, and they have a membranous sac. It means that they have a membrane. Okay, this cell organelle has a membrane, and they act as a mechanical support. Okay, mechanical support to the cytoplasm. So in the cytoplasm, you will find this endoplasmic reticulum. There are three important points, that is about the forms. They exist in three forms, in morphological forms. That is, first one is cisternae. Now, just say that if this is a nucleus, okay, think that this is a nucleus. Now, in the nucleus, there will be a slightly extension or protrusion. Okay, just say that this. So it is just coming out from the connected with your nucleus. So once it is connected, just say this. This is your cisternae. Okay. Now again there will be attachment, another cisternae. So there will be an extension like this. Okay. Now this cisternae has a, you can see that it is a flattened, okay, it's a elongated, it's right here, flattened, elongated, so there is no branched, okay, so it is unbranched, and there will be ribosomes attached on their surfaces. So I'm making ribosomes dots. Okay, so in cisternae you will find ribosomes. Ribosomes is found. So as you know that these ribosomes are involved for the process of protein synthesis. Okay, so this is one form of your endoplasmic reticulum. Second is vesicles. These vesicles are usually round, okay, or it can be spherical, oval shape, okay, round, spherical, oval shape, and there is no ribosomes. Okay. The third one is tubules. Tubules. These tubules are unbranched. Sorry, they are branched. Okay. Just say that there will be branched like this type of structures. But here, even in the tubules, you will not find ribosomes. Ribosomes is absent. So these are the three forms. Okay, the three morphological forms that endoplasmic reticulum exist. I will explain once more. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum. It's a very complex system, complex membranous sac, which will be found in the cytoplasm. Okay, they are responsible for as a mechanical support, okay, to the cytoplasm. Okay, and then it has three forms. It can exist in three forms: cisternae, vesicles, and tubules. You can see that the tubules are unbranched structure. Okay, it's elongated. Okay, in cisternae, most important point is they are the extension. Okay, the protrusion of your from the nucleus, and they are responsible for protein synthesis. Now we will discuss about the types of endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Let's write SER and RER. Let's try to see the differences between these. In short form, SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and RER is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now see, the name itself, it is saying smooth. Okay, it means that here in their membrane, okay, ribosomes is not found. Ribosome is not attached on their membrane. Okay, that's why it is smooth. And because of this reason, smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not involve in, it does not help, okay, it does not help in the synthesis of proteins. Does not involve in the synthesis of protein. But since they are not involved, they don't involve in the synthesis of protein, so what is their function then? Okay, in the cell, they are responsible for the formation of lipids, fats, lipids, and steroids. Lipids and steroids formation. It's very important. Okay. Now, in the case of smooth rough endoplasmic reticulum, in their membrane, you will find ribosome attached. Ribosome is attached on their membrane. So it means that rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the protein synthesis. Responsible for protein synthesis. Now what about the other functions? Okay, if you compare, these are the basic differences, that in smooth there will be no ribosome, and in rough there will be a ribosome. Okay. Now, when we were discussing about the forms of endoplasmic reticulum, I said that the cisternae has a ribosome, right? So your smooth endoplasmic reticulum will exist in two forms, that is vesicles form and tubules form. Okay. Whereas your rough endoplasmic reticulum will in the form of cistern. And some tubules, okay? And some tubules. This endoplasmic reticulum, these are found, okay? You will find this in all the eukaryotic cells. You will not find in the case of prokaryotic cells, because endoplasmic reticulum is present only in the eukaryotes. But except in some of the RBC of the mammals. Okay, you'll find in all the eukaryotic cells, but except in RBC of mammals, eggs. So in the case of RBC of mammals, eggs, okay, and embryonic cells. Embryonic cells. So you will not find in the case of these three. Okay, it's very important points to be remembered. Now we will discuss about the functions of your endoplasmic reticulum. So we were discussing about the types. First thing that I think you can write in your exam is RER, yes or no? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. See, since they have a ribosome, they are responsible for protein synthesis, okay, and they will also transport from one cell to another cell. They are responsible for the transfer, okay, the transfer of the proteins from one cell to another cell. So RER will help for protein synthesis, and even transfer. You can say transfer of molecules from one cell to another cell. Point number 2 to be remembered is the SER. Okay, the function of SER is for the preparation of for formation of your lipids like fats, okay, and steroid synthesis. So in the muscle cells, okay, in muscle cells, you will find smooth endoplasmic reticulum, not rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so in muscle cells, sarcoplasmic reticulum is found. Okay, so this is an example of your SER, which is responsible for the synthesis of lipids and steroid. So in human being, in the muscle cells, you will find sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As I said, it also helps. The third important function is it also helps for as a mechanical support. It supports the cytoplasm. Okay, mechanical support. So these are the 3 important functions of your endoplasmic reticulum. In the next class, we will discuss about the mitochondria, which is an important cell organelle in both plants and